No doubt there are a ton of precious metals out there in space, and no doubt you're going to find more throughout the vastness of space than you will on just one little rock. But when it comes to just one little rock, outside of Earth, the third rock from the sun, we have a very, very small rock that just so happens to be worth 700 quintillion in precious heavy metals. They know it's there. They have discovered this, and they're setting their sights on this area. This asteroid, so to speak, this golden asteroid, is comprised of gold, silver, palladium, all kinds of different precious metals. It sits between Mars and Jupiter. And there is a race to get this thing. They say that this could make everyone on Earth a billionaire in terms of the value of it. Now, of course, that's not going to happen with the people that are in control here, even if they did get it, because they would keep a majority of it for themselves. They would not fix the issues here with this planet. And see, that is what has got to change, first and foremost. What happens if angels came and delivered all the stuff to help the whole world, but some greedy dudes got it and decided not to share it with you? How would that feel? What if you never even knew? You just kept it a secret. Well, they do that en masse with all kinds of things. But in terms of this is a huge project that literally China is trying to get there before NASA. And you're going to see other countries try to get involved here. And I believe a lot of these world leaders and governments are working together behind the curtain in these big events, especially when you're going out into space and you have life all across the cosmos and all the secrets they're keeping from us in terms of this. Now you know why they were talking about trying to catch an asteroid here in the past 5 years. Remember that? Remember all the talk? They were very serious. They were looking for the funding. They were trying to get the funding approved, but there was never no mention of this massive golden asteroid that they discovered. Nope. But if you put two and two together, it's rather obvious that if you're going to have something that catches an asteroid, and then there's a massive gold nugget basically floating around out in space, you're going to use it to go get that gold nugget. This is interesting. We'll see where it goes from here. Of course, when it comes to space, you have to use a ton of discernment. This doesn't mean it's all lies. Some of you are being damaged by the man, by the government that's sending you down these rabbit holes like flat squares and all this other stuff. And then the magic trick of as soon as you hear the word NASA, y'all, it's all got to be a lie. Oh, it's all. Trust me, they lie a ton. We know this. But there's something that you've got to stop from happening. You've got to stop turning the page and writing it all off as soon as you hear NASA. Because I'm warning you, they're dropping tidbits of truth and information right in front of your face. And if you just want to go swatting it away, being, oh, it's all lies, and all that, that's garbage. To me, I'm starting to see that some are doing that on purpose, just to keep people away from truth. That's sick. And I see you. Clearly. So, discernment is key. And also, watching the video before making a comment and popping off at the mouth is also key. I see that very often these days. Within seconds of posting a video, someone's got a comment, and they're not even taking the time to watch the video or hear what I had to say. I'll leave a link. It's been Dabu7. And just watch and see. You'll see.